Welcome to English Made Easy. Learn through stories. In today's English lesson, we will start with an English story and then explain a few words and phrases from the story to help improve your vocabulary. Let's get started. The Butterfly and the Dolphin. Chapter 1. A Serendipitous Meeting. Once there was a butterfly. She had beautiful, colorful wings. She loved to fly over the flowers and the trees. One day, she flew to the beach. The sun was shining and the water looked very blue. There was a dolphin in the water. He liked to jump and play. He saw the butterfly flying above the water. He thought, "What a beautiful creature." The butterfly saw the dolphin jumping. She thought, "What a fun creature." The dolphin swam to the shore and said, "Hello, my name is Dory. What is your name?" The butterfly landed on a rock and replied, "Hello, Dory. My name is Bella. Nice to meet you." Dory smiled and said, "Nice to meet you too, Bella. You have very beautiful wings." Bella felt happy and said, "Thank you, Dory. You are very graceful in the water." Dory laughed and said, "I love to swim and jump. It makes me happy." Bella said, "I love to fly over the flowers. It makes me happy too." They both felt happy to find a new friend. Bella said, "Do you like the sun and the sky?" Dory nodded and said, "Yes, I do. The sun is warm and the sky is beautiful." Bella said, "I feel the same. The sky is my home." Dory said, "The ocean is my home. It is big and full of life." They both looked at the sky and the ocean. Bella thought, "I want to know more about Dory and his world." Dory thought, "I want to know more about Bella and her world." Chapter 2. Growing Friendship. The next day, Bella flew back to the beach. She was excited to see Dory again. She landed on the same rock and waited. Soon Dory swam to the shore. He saw Bella and smiled. "Hello, Bella," he said. "I am happy to see you." "Hello, Dory," Bella replied. "I am happy to see you too." They started talking about their day. Bella said, "Today, I flew over a big field of flowers. The flowers were very pretty." Dory said, "That sounds nice. Today, I swam with my friends. We played games in the water." Bella asked, "What games did you play?" Dory answered, "We played tag. I was very fast. I won many times." Bella laughed and said, "You must be very good at swimming." Dory smiled and said, "Yes, I am. Do you want to hear a joke?" Bella nodded and said, "Yes, please. I love jokes." Dory said, "Why did the fish cross the ocean?" Bella thought and then said, "I don't know. Why?" Dory laughed and said, "To get to the other tide." Bella laughed too. "That is a funny joke, Dory," she said. "You make me laugh." Dory felt happy and said, "I'm glad you like my joke. Can you tell me something about the sky?" Bella said, "Sure. The sky is very big and blue. Sometimes there are white clouds. The clouds look like soft pillows." Dory listened and said, "That sounds beautiful. I wish I could see the sky like you do." Bella said, "And I wish I could see the ocean like you do." Dory had an idea. "Let's share more stories. You tell me about the sky, and I will tell you about the ocean." Bella smiled and said, "That is a good idea. I will tell you about the stars. At night, the stars shine bright. They look like tiny lights in the sky." Dory listened with wonder. He said, "That sounds amazing. I will tell you about the coral. The coral is colorful and beautiful. Fish live and play around it." Bella felt excited and said, "I would love to see the coral one day." Dory nodded and said, "And I would love to see the stars one day." They talked and shared stories all day. When the sun started to set, Bella said, "I have to go now, Dory, but I will come back tomorrow." Dory smiled and said, "I will wait for you, Bella. See you tomorrow." Bella flew away, feeling very happy. Dory swam away, feeling very happy too. They both looked forward to seeing each other again. Chapter 3. Facing the truth. The next day, Bella flew back to the beach. She landed on the same rock and waited. Soon, Dory swam to the shore. He saw Bella and smiled a little. "Hello, Bella," he said. "I am happy to see you." "Hello, Dory," Bella replied. "I'm happy to see you too." They both felt sad. Bella said, "Dory, I tried to swim like a dolphin, but I cannot." Dory nodded. "And I tried to fly like a butterfly, but I cannot," he said. Bella sighed. "What will we do, Dory? We cannot live in each other's worlds." They both looked at the sky and the ocean. Bella said, "I love you, Dory, but I don't want you to be unhappy." Dory nodded. "I love you too, Bella." They both felt very sad. Bella said, "We have to face the truth. We cannot live together." Dory sighed. "I know, Bella. We are from different worlds." They hugged each other. Bella said, "You will always be in my heart, Dory." Dory nodded. "And you will always be in my heart, Bella." They both felt very sad but also happy to have known each other. Bella said, "Goodbye, Dory. I hope you have a good life in the ocean." Bella flew away slowly, feeling very sad. Dory swam away slowly, feeling very sad too. They both thought about each other and the good times they had shared. They knew they would always remember each other, even if they could not be together. Chapter 4. Everlasting Memories. Days passed, and Bella flew over the flowers and trees. She felt sad when she thought of Dory. She missed him very much. Every time she saw the ocean, she thought, "I hope Dory is happy and swimming with his friends." Dory swam in the ocean with his family and friends. He felt sad but also happy when he thought of Bella. He missed her very much too. They both felt a little better, knowing they were thinking of each other. Bella told her friends about Dory. "He is a wonderful dolphin. He can swim so well and makes me laugh," she said. They both kept their memories in their hearts. Bella flew over many places, but she always remembered Dory. "He will always be my special friend," she thought. Dory swam to many places, but he always remembered Bella. "She will always be my special friend," he thought. Bella felt happy when she thought of their good times together. "I am glad I met Dory," she said to herself. Dory felt happy when he thought of their good times together. "I am glad I met Bella," he said to himself. They knew they could not be together, but they were happy to have shared a special friendship. They both felt grateful for the memories and hoped the other was happy. And so, Bella flew into the sky, and Dory swam in the ocean. They both lived their lives, keeping their friendship alive in their hearts forever. The end. The story is aligned with the A1 level of the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages, CEFR, which is the beginner level. Here are 5 words, phrases from the story along with their meanings, examples from the story, and examples from real life. 1. Shore. Meaning, the land along the edge of a sea, lake, or other large body of water. Example from the story. Soon, Dory swam to the shore. He saw Bella and smiled. Real-life example. We walked along the shore collecting seashells. 2. Flutter. Meaning, to fly unsteadily or hover by flapping the wings quickly and lightly. Example from the story. One day, she flew to the beach. The sun was shining, and the water looked very blue. Real-life example. The butterfly fluttered from flower to flower in the garden. 3. Graceful. Meaning, having or showing smooth and attractive movement. Example from the story. He saw the butterfly flying above the water. He thought, "What a beautiful creature." The butterfly saw the dolphin jumping. She thought, "What a fun creature." Real-life example. The dancer moved in a very graceful way across the stage. 4. Friendship. Meaning, the relationship between friends, a state of mutual trust and support. Example from the story. They both kept their memories in their hearts. Bella flew over many places, but she always remembered Dory. Real-life example. Their friendship grew stronger over the years as they supported each other through good times and bad. 5. Memories. Meaning. The mental capacity or faculty of retaining and reviving facts, events, and impressions, or of recalling or recognizing previous experiences. Example from the story. They both kept their memories in their hearts. Real-life example. She looked through the old photo album and smiled at the memories of her childhood. Here are 3 things the reader can learn from the story. 1. The importance of acceptance and understanding. 2. The value of cherishing special friendships. 3. The power of memories and lasting bonds. This story and voiceover have been provided by English Made Easy. Learn through stories. Copying or re-uploading is strictly prohibited.